Hi, hello and welcome to the new video of MBS Learning. In this video, we are going to see about a treatment called Hormone Replacement Therapy, also known as HRT. So in this video, we are going to learn about the pros and cons of this treatment. So what is this treatment? The treatment is the replacement or introducing of hormones in women, especially during their deficiency. So how are these hormones deficiency caused? And first of all, what are these hormones, especially in women? So in women, the hormone replacement therapy is usually done for these two hormones, namely estrogen and progesterone. They are the female hormones produced by the ovary. So when are their deficiency caused? The deficiency is caused during or following menopause, during or after the removal of ovary or any other ovary disease, and even after effect of radiotherapy. So let's see about them in detail. Benefits of HRT must be weighed with their risks. In short, this treatment helps in treating the withdrawal of estrogen and its symptoms like night sweats, vaginal dryness, and hot flushes. This also treats the osteoporosis caused due to the low density of bones which occurs during the deficiency of estrogen. Even it is said that it is also helping in preventing the incidence of colon cancer. This treatment is also done when other osteoporosis treatments like taking of supplements for improving the bone density have failed. Now let's see the minor adverse effects of this treatment. The minor adverse effects include fluid retention, breast tenderness, abnormal blood clotting, leg cramps, and even nausea. The abnormal blood clotting may also lead to pulmonary embolism and deep vein thrombosis. It is also said that women who take HRT have higher risk of getting breast cancer than the women who don't take this treatment. But for short-term changes in the body, we might be advised by the doctor to take lesser doses of the estrogen or progesterone pills. It is always better to consult a doctor before taking such treatments by telling about the circumstances in our life.